Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to do the hard reset of your Xiaomi Redmi Note 810. This operation can be helpful if you doesn't remember the password to your phone or just software doesn't work properly. So first of all, we need to turn off our device. After phone should turn off permanently, then you should be press and hold volume up and power button together like this, 1 and 2. Keep holding both key. Release power, still holding volume up. Release. Now go down, volume down, wipe data, accept by power. One more time, go down, confirm. Now phone gonna be resetting all the memory, back to main menu and reboot system now, and the phone gonna be start with the new brand firmware without any password and passcode on your phones. But be sure, because the phone gonna be delayed all your data from your phone, like pictures and others. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.